Hello, 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 hello. Yeah. Abhishek, now you might be able to hear me. Fuck, I've been talking alone. What shit? Like without mic. Rudra comes to the office to play, and this was an arm. He can access it easily. He's like growing now, so he would obviously remove the sounds and everything whichever he want to do. Kids, Yeah. If I'm starting in 4 minutes, just finishing my breakfast, raga halwa. Uh, Very boring Indian breakfast. The Bijou there. Abhishek, hurry up. How's you doing? How are you doing? How's your Wednesday morning? But yeah, I was saying I like these streams. Simple. Impromptu. Nothing doing much. I want to learn design a product. Why not do it with you folks in live? While we do that, let me give you some preview on where we at. I gotta rearrange this camera. Yeah, that. Take a second with him live. क्या चाहिए बेबी? किसका? हमें तो ये लैपटॉप देना। वो रखा दे आगे। भैया। बेटू। भैया। तो आप कलर करो बैठ के। उनकी बुक दे देना। हाँ हाँ एक सेकंड। बुक कहाँ है? इधर रुकना एक सेकंड। बुक कहाँ है बुक? Come here. Come here. यहाँ पे आओ एक सेकंड. Sorry if I'm just kid. Come here, बच्चू. रुद्र. दिखाओ मुझे कलर्स दिखाओ. चलो. Show me the colors. दिखाओ सही कलर्स दिखाओ. Show me the colors. जाओ फिर मैं. आ जाओ. भागो. So Rudra came and I was saying when a kid come and they there are kids. This is what they do, right? This is how they work and everything. But yeah, cool. I think it's time for us to start our design. We just finished my breakfast and then take the last bite and close it. Oh. Hamburg makes more sense, right? Like I'm more in picture now. Perfect. I'm assuming you can see my screen or this app won't work. Yeah, my YouTube is just really bad. You're not gonna go there. By the way, new Apple product launched, right? I think what did it launch? So check it out. I didn't watch the launch and anything like that, but I watched few Instagram reels, read some comments there. I think they have launched a new iPad, the thinnest iPad they're saying, a new Apple Pencil Pro, not 2, 3, something like that. And I think that's it. And they are also, I think, discontinuing 9th generation for updates and everything. Let's check it out. Let's see. iPad Air, they are doing 11-inch, okay, and 13-inch, okay. I mean, why would I buy a 13-inch iPad? I mean, makes sense if you're a illustrator, if you're an artist on that direction, but for everyone else, it's not needed, right? Like, what's the use of having a 13-inch tablet which you can even run products on? I heard that they launched some M4 or something like that. What is that M4 thing? Yeah, I gotta check that out. I think I should go to accessories and there we'll find pencil. Let's see if we have the pencil. No, I don't want to watch the event, my man. Just give me the pencil where it is. Yeah, Pacific Pro. Blah 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 blah. Okay, it works with okay, it works with 17. Okay, iPad OS length, everything is fine. I think they what something like they did on this. Yeah, nothing interesting going on here. It's simple. By the way, I got an air tag just because it was fun to have. I don't know what I don't have much use of it, but it's good to track people you wanna keep an eye on. If you are going out, you want your people to know where you are. Easier to do. Just keep it with you in your bag or in your car or anything like that. For example, I have added one in my car so I can track where my car is any time of the day. Generally, it's nicer if you do forget where you're putting it in parking or something like that. Helps. So yeah, that is really nice to have that. Cool. Let's just get into the designing part of it. So, hey Viraj, kya ho raha, bro? Long time. Something. Oh damn. Good morning, folks. Good morning. I think we are getting an audience now. I was not expecting this audience in the Wednesday morning, but it is what it is. By the way, I love to do Wednesday stream because my voice gets much sexier. रात में भी becomes like this. Hello, कैसे हो दोस्तों? Then मैं just like this. I think I'll prefer doing all the streams in the morning. ठीक है, cool है, करते हैं. So here's the short idea what I want to build. How many of you use Typefully? This is a tool which I use to schedule all my Twitter का content, and this also goes to LinkedIn. So that is amazing. बहुत बढ़िया tool है, बहुत crazy, बहुत minimal. Has amazing phone app. So it doesn't have its own native app, but you can save it from your Safari. से आप शेयर कर सकते हो एज ए बुकमार्क एंड इट वर्क्स लाइक एड टू होम स्क्रीन करके ये वर्क करता है. PWA बोलते हैं उसको. इतना बैड विद एप्लीकेशन एंड नीड, बट आई थिंक PWA only. PWA app. Yeah, PWA app. They are called progressive web app. Yes, so you can just make it in a website and just make it look like a web app. So yeah, so Typefully I like a lot. Love been using it. I've been a paid user for the last 2.5 years. I think 2 years mostly. And I have a lot of content which I never post, but I have them in drafts. Good for drafting, good for planning. Love their scheduling process. Like you can choose 5-6 days of time and then just schedule it day based. If you want to check, you can even have a calendar like this, and you can just go through your calendar and see where you're posting, what you're posting. And you can also even edit your schedule. Like, so if I'm here and I don't like this, I just go to schedule, change how many days I want to post, right? And this just helps. Like I have few random times here and there. It also uses AI to understand when I get most likes, more comments, like most engagement, and then also just me time based on that. So good tool, very useful. They also added AI now, so I can just send an idea and just use this to do a lot of things. Now this is Typefully ka short intro, right? And now what I want to do is, hey Aditya, hey Atharva, yeah, comments I'm gonna come back every 5-10 minutes. मेरे सामने नहीं है screen पे. This is the issue. I don't have my iPad charged, so I can't keep them. And that impromptu था तो उतना है नहीं planning. But yeah, so this is the tool, and now we wanna duplicate it. When I say duplicate, why I want to duplicate it? So like how we have that UX flow, right? Like that if a user is familiar with something like an interaction, they're gonna try to find that same interaction everywhere else, right, on the website. For double tap to like हो गया. If login is on the top right, तो login यहीं पे आता है हर जगह, so it's gonna be everywhere like that, right? I think it's a law, Jason का law है मेरे ख्याल से, if I'm not wrong. As I said again, very bad with Jason है कि fit Jacob, sorry, Jacob है या fit, I don't know. I'm gonna check. No, Jacob ही होगा मेरे ख्याल से. Yeah, Jacob, right, Jacob. Now this law also works in a bigger capacity, which means कि, for example, if I'm using a social media, which is similar to another social media app I use, and that has few plugins or extra features, which I love using, then I'm gonna try to find the same feature or same apps or plugins in the other social media. Example is there's a decentralized social media called Warpcast. This is built on Fargasa protocol, so you can build a client on top of the protocol. अगर मुझे ये UI अच्छी नहीं लगा तो I can just go to this other UI जो उसके ऊपर built है. This is more Twitter like, right? अगर मुझे ये UI अच्छा लगा तो I can even go different UI. एक और ऐप है, मैं नाम बोल रहा हूँ, find that app का नाम Nook. हाँ, so I can get to a different UI. So backend में data same ही काम कर रहा है. Social media जो मैं post कर रहा हूँ वो same ही जा रहा है, but I can customize this whole clients based on my need. I'm not sure how many of you used Reddit. Reddit पे एक tool आता था Apollo करके. Amazing tool, one of my favorite ones. बहुत crazy था. The reason was cause Apollo was like Reddit was good, but Apollo took it a notch, right? You can customize things and all that. Yeah, but Nook is more Twitter friendly in a way. You can interact. Again, has simple way comment, retweet, recast बोलते हैं, like. And यहाँ पे बस the only thing is there are channels. And that's really interesting. So what they did was like how we have community in Reddit. They have channels here, so you can post into custom channel and get obviously same minded or same interested people for your content. Simple as that. Right. अब ये चीजें हो रही थी तो you can do this. Now the issue is because this is a new social media, like it's been up for 2.5 years. बट जो इनका पूरा डेली यूजर का डेटा है ना, वो आई थिंक अभी थोड़े दिन पहले से ही क्रेजी होना चालू हुआ है. It started going crazy. I think from Jan or December, they found one utility बहुत crazy सी, which was like when Vitalik moved to this social media channel. Web3 people will know Vitalik. Second, they had something called DJ on top of it. क्या है meme coin, बहुत लंबी story है. We'll talk something later. But हाँ crazy है. अभी they still had 350 total users only जो अभी इतना यूज कर रहे हैं और डेली अलग अलग चीजें मूव होती रहती है. Now coming back to the app. Now the issue is that I can't schedule cast into this. Like, so here tweets are called cast. I can't schedule cast. I don't have a better tool to do that, and I can definitely do it with this tool which I use called Supercast. But ये बहुत कचरा डिजाइन है इसका. Like the UX is really bad. I just click on plus, मैं कुछ लिख रहा हूँ, मैं यहाँ शेड्यूल पे क्लिक करता हूँ, यहाँ पे आके सेलेक्ट टाइम एंड शेड्यूल तो हो गया. अब यहाँ पे थोड़ी देर बाद आएगा, मैंने रिफ्रेश, उसके बाद इट विल शो इनटू माय यूआई. देन उसमें भी कोई वो नहीं है. सी लाइक देयर इज नो, आई डोंट नो द डेट, आई डोंट नो कि डेट यहाँ दिखा दे रहा है, बट देयर इज नो सीक्वेंस एंड डिजाइन वाइज इज वेरी बैड. Not very like good for use or very frustrating to do actually. So like what if we instead of, so the reason is Supercast is doing client plus schedule, तो खुद का they are also making a ऊपर का app to use that you Fargasa protocol और फिर schedule डाल रहे हैं. What if I just make something like Typefully for Workcast, like that simple as that, right? That's my goal is, and here's my Figma file. Hey अभिनव क्या हो रहा है bro? Yes, sir, we can bake. I have, by the way, interesting fact, I haven't watched this series. I bought this because Santanu built it. And I buy shit when friends build it. So that's like, I just got it because look cool and a friend has done this. But yeah, I think many people would like me for that same thing. But I'll watch that series, don't worry. I like the actor a lot, the actor which is there. I have seen him in this series, Shameless. Great work. So I know that actor is good, so काम crazy किया होगा. And I love chef, food based things. There was this movie जिसमें ये था Bradley Cooper. Bradley Cooper ही नाम है उसका, पता नहीं क्या नाम है. Yeah, chef वाली movie थी उसकी, बहुत crazy movie थी. Burnt. Amazing movie. Like, I love the way they show, and I'm a fan of Gordon Ramsay and I love watching people walk in kitchen. Like there's so interesting fact for you all. There's Kitchen's Nightmare जो होता है ना, उसके without editing वाले episode पे आते हैं. So what does that mean is कहाँ है Kitchen Nightmare का show इसमें ऊपर up for you YouTube में जाके. So what they do is instead of choppy editing और कुछ घंटे लगाने की जगह, they upload the full episode and without any editing. So you see chefs cutting the food slowly. You see the moments which builds up. You watch the whole shift of तीन shift आप देखते हो पूरी उसके अंदर. So those are really interesting. Like I can watch them like amazing, यार वो. So crazy stuff. But coming back here, so here's all the I like any process designing. The first thing is finding references, right? And here we have a clear-cut product which you want to copy, inspire, जो भी बोलना चाहो very bluntly. That's what I'm doing. So yeah, why not? And so I have taken screenshots of all the features I want. So I want to schedule like a box kind of thing. Then I also want to see how it looks when I write text. If I want to add, so what's that like? If I want to upload images, so what's the function like that? Here, I put image and video. Nice. Based on that, if I want to schedule, then what happens? I can click on schedule, and then it will open up this thing for me, this UI, where I can just write down any time, or I can just choose a queue slot. Now, queue is going to be a new feature. I don't want to add it. I want to keep it very simple. Instead of writing time, what we'll do is we'll keep it this way. So you open the calendar. So you have your time, you open the calendar, you choose your calendar, you choose your time, and tada, you schedule the shit. Simple 3 button thing. Again, this is MVP. I don't want to complicate everything from the first day of design. Uh, this is the major thing I've learned, okay? कि यार अगर तुम कुछ डिजाइन कर रहे हो राइट और अगर तुम उसमें बैठ के यू आर कॉम्प्लिकेटिंग विद लाइक मल्टीपल फ्लोज मल्टीपल फीचर्स विदाउट इवन शोइंग इट टू द यूजर विदाउट इवन टेकिंग देयर फीडबैक तो यार इन माय ओपिनियन तुम टाइम वेस्ट कर रहे हो you got a test you got a like diamond process बोलते हैं ना उसको again many people would know that I'm a self-taught designer so I have not went through the traditional way of learning UI UX product right so I know shit but I just know because I did run them from किसी दोस्त से सिखा लिया किसी दोस्त ने हेल्प कर दी YouTube से कहीं सीख लिया right I think double diamond में एक method है that you converse and then you come back and redo the whole process, right? Like you go to them, you talk to them, get feedback and do that again and again. I think यहाँ पे कहीं है yeah understand, define, develop अगर कुछ और चीज होता है test then you come back and do this again. But yeah, so ये basic MVP है if you want to build a scheduler and I want to build a calendar because that's the one thing which is missing. I'm not sure like how do I want to put a calendar? Do I want to just put like something like this? Like we just have like a scroll list like this and I can just hide tomorrow and show on top that this has 5 tweets scheduled for this day, right? So, because again, building a whole year calendar might be tough. So what we'll do is we'll just test out with 7 days that you can schedule in the next 7 days. And for that, I think this list makes sense. That I can just hide them, show the badge here that 5 tweets are scheduled and this minimized, and then I can maximize different time frames. Time frame I think is like we'll just keep everyone's desktop time. If you want to change it, that's again not a new feature. We'll think of it in the future. So yeah, that is the base of it. Now here I have the product ready. First screen ready. Blank white screen. And by the way, I love UI kits. I feel why make everything from scratch when someone had added the effort of making a UI kit for you all. Just use that. No need to be so prodigious that okay, I'm gonna make my own stuff from scratch. क्यों ही बनाना है? सब मिल रहा है ready-made. ना काम पे ध्यान दो. Your goal is to make that product, not to design everything from scratch. Like वो पागलपन नहीं करना है बाद में बैठ के, ठीक है? So I'm using a kit which I used for another product long time back called Symmetry. वहाँ पे पूरी kit use की थी. Then I think I messed something. तो kit इसी file में रह गई है. I'm like ठीक है चलेगा. I have published the library so I can still see the component wise और सब चीज़ें उसमें है. Yeah, so the first thing is to build this screen where I can write a schedule, right? Make it very simple. So yeah, I was just adding my name, my username, and the label. Now, what do a label do I need? Does this need a label? I can add cast, right? And I can just make it right your cast. Here again, this copy doesn't make any. It's not important right now. It's just something which is. It's just that it needs to be here, that's all. Do I even need that title actually? Let's check. Do I need that label? I don't need that label. Yeah, makes sense. Yeah, write your cast here. Perfect. Now I just need a schedule button here and that and that and then that will be good. Just add a button then. So generally what I would do is I have an army of product designers who are good friend and I'll just get them to make it. क्यों ही बनाना अगर कोई बना दे रहा है तो. So Pratyush, you might know, Akshit is another friend of mine, whom I just take their help whenever I need something design. Because why not? Why use your time and there's someone who's amazing at this? Because they like so coming from Ran, I'll rather feel like invest my time there than doing this. Now though. And I love to do this, but only as I said, it makes sense when I want to do it. So yeah, this is it. This in a simpler version, right? I just need these buttons now, which will obviously have upload image and video. Okay, that's what we want. We also want a poll. A poll should be there, but if I want to add a poll, that means I also have to add the UI for poll, right? So if I go to Supercast and cast a button, and I also like their UI. It's nice and simple. But the issue is that they are saying send. I don't want send right now. I just want schedule. Right, so that is good. In this case, I like home. Oh yeah, we also have to choose channels, right? So that is very important. I gotta figure out how to do that. For that, what we'll do is we'll just go to the UI kits and just. So what I like to do is I just like to go to every. Like I know that this can be an input, this can be a tag. Like I know that's a tag, but I'll rather just go to every single page. Takes 5 minutes and just see, okay, so there's something which might not be traditionally used but can work if I modify it a bit, right? So can something like this, label doesn't work, text area we already have, no need, playground area, nope, 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 no. Let's go for tag. Yeah, tag makes sense that I can just choose a channel. That means something like this could work. I can't paste into multiple channels. I just need one channel, so it could not be this option like that. What if I add a search bar where you search and then just change it to a tag? Wouldn't make it more easier for me to do, right? Like if I wanna go here and just say choose a channel, right? And then just goes there. So what they are doing is they are doing this in home. If you click on home, this drop down menu comes where you can just like select. I like that, but the only issue I feel with that is okay, I don't want to show a drop down menu. It's boring. What I'd rather, but I like that they show you their top channels which you regularly use. I can also do that with suggestions, right? Like showing it them here, okay, just like in tabs, and that way it makes sense. I select that tab and everything goes away. That's the basic feature I'm thinking. Let's make and see what happens. I'm gonna go back and setting tag is the option I have right now. I'm gonna copy it, paste it here, forward it ऊपर थोड़ा सा maybe इसमें क्या क्या है इसमें do we have helper text I don't need. Okay, I'm gonna turn off helper text. I don't need it. Yeah, this is the end. Channels go choose a channel needs to be more fun. This is boring right now. Uh, I don't like also the channel button with the button. Yeah. Okay, I think first of all what we should do is add these buttons images rather item, and then I think I can also do the channel part of it here also, right? You just like have them in one single tab. Let's select out, let's check it out. अभी के लिए let's just go to see if something interesting is happening. Nah, tab is boring. Switch. Can I? No. Switch. No need to add switch. Won't anything. Selection is here. So this is what I can always do, like what they are doing, right? I can just go and show a drop down like a channel, right? Something which this is what she would say. Uh, damn. Yeah. Here's what I wanted. Yes. I think team members is fine, and I can just use that, right? So I'm gonna go the I'm gonna go the okay, I don't need the tooltip bro. I need the base input level open. And this is select menu. Okay, this is the whole wrap. This is the select label. Yeah, state open. Yeah, the state should be open here also, right? Where is the state? Or did I get the wrong? I think I got the wrong element here. I gotta pick up the whole element, like select this and then paste it. Yeah, now it's much better. Yes. So yeah, it goes on top. But again, that when that happens, that schedule needs to be rethought where to put that. We'll figure that part out later. I don't need multiple people selected. I just need one. So I'm gonna go tag one and no add, just channel one. Yeah, that makes sense. And this button goes away. No need that. Oh yeah, this is in drop down like that. I'm gonna turn off. I'm gonna turn off. Close this. Disabled. Yeah. I mean, this is again, this is the pain right now. I don't want, like, this feels like a pain to go and then select a channel and all that. This should be much smoother. But at this moment, I can waste my another 15 minutes to figuring out how to do that, or I can just make it work and then figure it out later when I'm doing that, right? So yeah, I think what I'll do is I'll just change. I don't even want that one tab. This, okay, I can change it or what? Input, yeah, perfect. I want that tag. I want helper. I want label, so that is important. Helper text, no, it's not needed. But I need some text in here. Select a change, something like that, right? So I'm gonna make that text by myself. Take that out. Move the text outside. Command X, Command V. Make it like this. Move it here. Call it select channel. I think what I can do later is that when you're scheduling tweets, right, I can give you an option of selecting the channels beforehand, and that would just give you better category-wise stuff, right? Yeah, I think that I can do. But yeah, this is simpler. I come here, I write my cast, I check my channel, and I schedule. Now when I schedule, what happens? Let's design the next part of it, right? Oh yeah, I forgot the images and all that stuff. No, yeah, I gotta do that too. So again, those are gonna go. Either they can go in, like, so Typeful is doing what they are not keeping outline, and I like that, not keeping an outline. So if possible, let me just go and find where this whole thing is coming from and turn off the outline. This is again a different pain of if you, what to say, if you have, yeah, clean, simpler, and I can just give all of this fill, like a primary gray white, or you know what, just give it white 900. Yes sir. This also has some shadows. I can see that. Yep, no need the shadow and all that. Perfect. I give this a white color. Perfect. I'm gonna give this around 32 of spacing. Perfect. Obviously you're gonna move. Perfect. We change the background to some other color just so that we can see our box. Make it rounded, cause why not? Yeah, simpler. This can work. I can just have a logo on top, and this is your scheduler. I also arrange left and right, but we'll figure that part out later. That is done. Right over cast here. Now I just need to add images and these four icons here. So image. Yeah, for now I just use this icon. Perfect. What is this called? Camera. Camera it would be called, no? Yeah. But camera doesn't show videos, right? I mean, it shows videos, so I just keep camera. Then what else do we have? We have GIFs. So I think, do I want to give a different image? I think I'll just give a different. Yeah, this is gonna keep moving. I'm gonna select and select photo. Yeah, camera. I think most people just take the thing that this is to click picture, this is not, but this is works. No need to, why do I need to show that I'm uploading a GIF or a video? Just click and then select it, because GIF, it will be a GIF. If it's selecting an image, it will be an image, right? You need to complicate that shit if not needed. Yeah, that makes sense. Hey Bhavya, how's your cohort going? How's that? All good? I've not been able to check what's happening with the last cohorts का पूरा homework and all. But नया cohort आ रहा है, so something interesting might happen. Pitched Abhinav, let's see what he says. Uh, we'll check that part out. ठीक है, I think one icon चाहिए हमें image का, and then what else do we need? Do we need anything? अच्छा हो गया emoji, I don't need poll. I think poll डालना पड़ेगा यार, उसका option नहीं कुछ भी. Uh, I also want to give the multiple thread का option. And that is, I think, a good option to have, so that you can create multi-thread cast. चाहिए मुझे भी चाहिए वो चीज़, तो I think if it's there तो then बढ़िया है, लेकिन नहीं होगा तो क्या ही कर सकता हूँ मैं, but अगर हो तो best है. Let's just add one divider till then. चल between these, yeah, and you just fill the container. Yeah, create some at least थोड़ा सा cleanness डाल देंगे इसके अंदर. Content and you stay here, perfect. Can I move it inside? No, I can't. No, yeah, no worries. Let's go to layer. Let's check it out. See, yeah, this is also like that much of product designing. Yeah, क्योंकि बन जाता हूँ मैं पूरा like themes देखनी है और layout देखना है. I understand the importance of it, but I'll rather prefer visual design rather than just go crazy. And you can do anything you want. It's just so fun to do this shit, right? So icons wise, this also I do like I just go to icons, select icon चाहिए लेकिन नाम सर्च करता है, easy पड़ता है. मुझे नाम याद नहीं रहता है, very honestly. Do I want to do dots? पोल के लिए हुआ क्या यहाँ पे कहीं एक random icon use करना पड़ेगा, नहीं तो फिर मुझे. Are you focusing some icon क्या जो पोल के लिए work कर जाए? Let's see. I also don't see one. I think yeah. Let's use this random one. This is called table rows. I'm gonna go to table and rows. Table rows. Yeah. This becomes pool. I think yeah. उससे जब hover करेंगे तो उसमें दिख जाएगा तो ठीक है, fine यार. I'm chill with that shit. Yeah, ये perfect हो गया है. I'm gonna just now make this like boom and forward it to this corner. So you can add. Actually, it should be here only. Yeah, it makes sense to have it with the text. Hey, Rahul. This is the one state of that. I'm gonna make this a state. Move it outside. Swap the component with the main thing. Yep, this is one component, and what I want to build is another component, which would be what if I have a image in it, right? So, hey, I'm Rahul. Check out my new watch. I'm sending something random here, and I need to now add an image in this. So let's go to downloads. Assuming you can see my downloads folder. Yes, and just use this image because why not? Yep. Ooh, yeah. Yes, don't disturb if you don't want to. Yeah. So one way of showing. So what I like in Typefully is now, if I upload an image, this is what they do. ठीक है, देखना. Notice करना अभी क्या करेंगे. If I upload an image, they'll upload it full screen, like in square, right? Which is nice because then I can see stuff and all that. To crazy होता है. So I think what I'll do is I also do that. I'll just do a full screen under the text kind of a thing, but फिर इसको हटाना पड़ेगा ऐसे, and this goes on top like this. And obviously this जो fixed height है उसकी जगह ये hug current हो जाएगा, right? Placeholder की भी hug current करना भाई, and the divider will go below it. चलो. Sorry, yeah, you go it below, yeah. This is the image, and what I'll do is fill container, and this should be not fill container. There should be a hug and other, but ठीक है, अभी चल जाएगा. And once you upload an image, these things are still there. You know what? I think ये जो है इसको मुझे इसके बाद ही रखना चाहिए instead of that, like this, but yeah, like this only, and this I change the placeholder text थोड़ा सा अभी के लिए ठीक है this is fine थोड़ा चलेगा but who knows कितना नीचे है it's fine अभी के लिए चल जाएगा I can give it थोड़ा सा 16 का spacing ताकि पास में ऐसा लगे कि सेम लाइन में yeah, we'll clean it up इसको करता हूँ delete again just make a new component yeah component and shits fun है it's fun when you get it see develop right तब मजा आता है बाकी तो यार बहुत पेन होता है जीवन में a lot of pain but yeah we're gonna put that image in now right so we're gonna go here change this to fix to hug content this also hug contents yeah now it's perfect now I just need to drag and drop my image in it brother go downloads where's my image here's my image drag and drop obviously this is gonna do a lot of pain to other people so width क्या है इसकी maximum width क्या है 360 so I'm gonna make it with 360 yes sir yes sir yes sir now you're talking so something if I have an image it will look something like this and obviously I'll make it rounded because why not so yeah this will look like an image ऊपर आएगी and yeah this if I have attached image it will look like this if I don't have image this will look like this and perfect makes sense look good I guess yeah we'll need to see if I need to change some things but अभी के लिए workable है I am not working on my monitor so I can't visualize it into my 13-inch का MacBook बाद में टेस्ट कर लूँगा मैं उसको but yeah this makes my schedule वाला thing clear now I just need to I already made the option to cast perfect I made an option to add poll and GIF perfect do want to show it so I also need a drop down menu right so when you go to here it shows do you want to upload a image or video do you want to add GIF I don't know why there's that but if I upload an image video it opens up so in my case I don't even want to add a drop down you click it opens your window and then done it's open your find a window and be done with that right why complicate it if it's not needed so yeah I think that is good and that should be done ठीक है cool poll वाले पे UI पे we'll figure out बाद में that's a different pain to altogether let's get to the next part of it ये हो गया now I need to build the schedule वाला UI which is this damn nice UI so once I made the cast now I need to schedule it now how does the scheduler UI look like so again we go to a component we go to a text input or something like that where it looks good we pick up something from the playground and select it nah. And this one I'll make it I think menu might have something which can be reused अगर नहीं तो फिर मैं खुद बना दूँगा पूरा बैठ के yeah this is the menu no not useful I don't think anything will be useful here to use in this case actually so let's make it so we need a title obviously let's just first of all build a schedule time do you want to show don't know let's check it out keep this with me so I can check it out faster you move with me and you come here perfect now you go bye so generally what I would love to still do is that कि अभी heading नहीं fix नहीं किया ना मैंने तो I don't want to waste my time into choosing कि ये heading सही है ये गलत है and all that I'll just go to some ready-made page और वहाँ से मैं I'll just pick up some heading again saves you time the faster you can do this the faster this can get closed and the developer can test out if this is working or not before you even waste your time that much इस चीज़ को crazy करने में ना अच्छा अभी तो again I can't see it so I'm just gonna start building it myself call it schedule I want I think leading only but do I want a bigger size like how big do I want I think we'll go 24 and we can go it with bolder I guess yeah that would make sense shift A fill it with white give it a 16 ka rounded yep and give it 32 ka padding around both of that okay 32 8 yes sir yes sir yes sir it's aligned perfect now I you know what yeah, I think I can just keep the text I need some input text that would really help level it calendar, nice. All times in Asia. So I might not let them change, but I can show them that what times when they are doing this. Yeah, makes sense. Time zone selected, change it. I don't know, it's gonna be 20. I'm gonna make it 16. Normal. Yes, cleaner. Perfect. And now I need a button which is here. Copy it, paste it. Sexy. I need a input box to select or create a drop down menu. Now in this one, what happens is if you don't, if you click there, this kind of drop down opens like calendar time ka, right? Which I like. I also like Notion ka drop down menu. So let me show you what I think I can use that also. A good drop down menu. I'll create a new database. I just testing out something. Yeah, yeah. Perfect. I think I'll just add a property which will be date. Yes, sir. And date. Perfect. If I select it, yeah, this is nice. When you click on it, it shows you like this. You can go but drop down menu and reminds of the end time. Yeah, I think I can even have that format and so that they can change time zones and all that. It's can be useful in the next version. Abhi to I don't think it's useful, but cool. Let's just add that. Let's just add an input box. Let's just go here. Assets में input. Input की spelling कर लिखा हूँ मैं. By the way, what's happening? By the way, we're live. I think for how many time? How much time now? I'm not sure how many people are you. How many of you are watching also? Let me check. Go to the comments. Oh, 5 people. Nice. We've been live for 43 minutes. Damn. Abhinav, yeah, Aditya, Patak came, Hipavya, nice folks. If you're watching, just drop a comment. Just would love to talk to you folks. And if you have suggestions, keep dropping them. Yeah, I think text input. Nice. I don't need the leading. I don't need the trailing. I don't need the icons. I don't need the icon trailing. I don't need the select leading. I don't need the label. I don't need the helper text. Yes, sir. All I need is choose your right. I don't know how much this is feasible to do this right time here, but this is amazing. I think with AI this would be possible. अगर ये हो गया तो best है यार. I love this function of like just telling me that okay, do this tomorrow. It feels more human to do, right? Okay, hey, do this tomorrow at 9 a.m. Post this tomorrow at 9 a.m. Then choosing and going into calendar and choosing that, right? Like, it feels more natural to do that. We also don't need telling. Yeah. So yeah, this is. I just don't like the spacing. I'm gonna update the spacing to maybe 16, and obviously the spacing between these two now will change. They will be much smaller, maybe 4, something like that. Even you know what? Maybe even 0 would work. Yeah. And the 16 is nice. I think I can still have more spacing. 24 gives good spacing around. Nice. Okay. That's fine. Yeah, close option. Like I need to give it a close icon. Nah? Yes, sir. Perfect. Drop it down. Change it. Give it in the corner so people can just go and schedule it. Again, I haven't visualized how I'm gonna put this into a dashboard vibe. Yeah, I want to get the components ready so I can just give them and then the developer can test out. Placement में कर लूँगा. Do I want it a modal based? Do I want it a dashboard left right? Don't know. This schedule might just be like when you click on schedule, this can just open under it also, right? Like this. Because why not, right? Like I can just keep this like this also. इसके नीचे खुल जाए like a book kind of thing. And then the schedule will go to the left side. Can happen. That's a design decision. Like, do I want how the UX I want it to be like? कितना उस चीज पे जाना है? Or do you want to make it simpler? But yeah, they do this, and then they, if they select, they get a calendar. So calendar, obviously, I'm not gonna design because lazy. I'm just gonna go and search for calendar here. Oh, we don't have a calendar element. No worries. You go go Figma, go to commodity files and just find a calendar item. See, this is superpower. Like if you are lazy and you figure out like हर चीज जरूरत नहीं खुद कैसे बनाओ यार ठीक है. Like, someone did so much मेहनत ना यार तो use that मेहनत. Yeah, this is good. I like the calendar widget for Figma. Thank you, Joy Banks. The guy gives Figma consulting. I'm not wrong, but yeah, I think this is good. We select the time, and what we need is time also. Right? I think in Castfully they have, in Typefully they have this thing where you open it up. There's also a time ka thing. You select a time and it can move. Time ऊपर side like this. ठीक है, perfect. It's just too big to work as a drop-down menu. But resize it. But अभी के लिए don't tell anyone, okay? It works. Yeah, perfect. I just need input menu like this also here. Yeah, कोई बस मार देंगे उसको भी हम और we'll just make it fill container and yeah, this will be more like I'm gonna change the fixing is fine. 9:20 a.m. Obviously, this is 10 something, so ये font work नहीं करेंगे. Calendar I gotta rethink of how do I want to place it. But later, problem for later, not now. Just need the calendar ka UI, which needs to be here. It is here, so that we can choose and time हो गया. Perfect. Now time वाला चीज़ हो जाती है अगर तो then what I need to do next is time हो गया. I need to create a calendar like this vibe. Let's say if someone schedules it, then I need this. To do tomorrow scheduled का एक tab जिसके अंदर ये बस list और कुछ नहीं हो, nothing like that. Just open and closed list of kind of a menu thing. Yeah, let's add that. Similar UI में I'll keep this scheduled. ये UI चल सकता है. Do I need anything else? No, close ठीक है. I just need dates. Left में date और right में उसके batch number, so I know I have 5 tweets which are scheduled. Right, so इसमें कुछ नहीं करना है. इसमें मुझे बस इस जो ये मैंने बनाया है ये जो हंस रही है दुनिया मेरी कालियों पे. Just need to design this. So 11. I think empty नहीं होगी यहाँ पे सिर्फ लिखा हुआ होगा, right? So that means anything I design, I don't need any drafts. तो यहाँ पे तो लिखा हुआ होना चाहिए. So this and then hi, this is Rahul. Shift A. Gonna make it like fill white. Spacing will be 8. Around and top. पूरा clean लग जाएगा. Around भी I'll do 8. Right, and then it just shows the timing. Perfect. It just shows the copy I want. Perfect. And this should just fill the container, and I should also have a close button for this. If I want to unschedule it, then what, right? So I need a close button for this also. So I'm going to drop it here. We don't need a button here. This is there. I'll need obviously a stroke, then do a light one. So, and this will become fill container. This will also become fill container, and then I can just drag and drop and make it like this. I want it like this. So yeah, schedule here. And I also need one group, not close actually. This should be unscheduled. I don't know how that icon look, but we'll need this, so that needs to be here. Right? ये हो गया. And then what else do we need? We need time. So अगर मान लो से 5-10 ट्वीट कर रखी है तो ये ट्वीट ऐसे दिखेगी, right? Now this is for, let's say, today, right? So I'm gonna change the UI of this also to left aligned. Left aligned, yes. Left aligned only. This needs to be also left aligned, yes sir. Yes sir. Yeah, perfect. Scheduled ये हो गया. अच्छा जो चीजें हो रखी हैं. Then I need a divider between this. Yeah, like here, and this can be fill container, and perfect. I think this shows like most of the things हो गए यहाँ पे. Schedule आ गया. We have this now. Okay, yeah. The spacing between these are very much like बहुत ज़्यादा spacing. 24 की चाहिए मुझे. I think even 8 would work. Yeah, clean, simple, and nice. Now I just need to add today and dates. So वो डाल देता हूँ फटाफट. Command D, you move out, you get here. Today, actually you should be in this group, brother. In this group, yes sir. Good. Yeah. Command D, shift. Yeah, like this. And the copy, obviously the font will change. We don't need 24. This can work with 18 and 20. The same fold will go. Yes sir. Yes sir. Yes sir. That I was talking about. This will just make it a little bit normal. Okay. The same font but normal. Yes. And the opacity will go dull higher. So for example, today is what? 8 May. So 8 May बोल देंगे क्योंकि वो I like it typically because they don't have to worry about that यार कि ये इंडिया में US में 5/8 करना है 8/5 करना है. Saves a lot of time. And you can copy this and have spacing between these two a little bit higher, maybe 32. And yeah, gotta rethink of how do I want to show all of these tweets. बस ये हर जगह दिखाने लग जाऊंगा तो इसलिए उसमें पैक हो जाता है. इससे पैक हो जाएगा. Do I want tabs or not? That's a different concern. Do I want you want to do it left right like a Notion table? Can do. Yes, that can do, but we'll decide when we'll reach it that problem and थोड़ा और figure out करेंगे. But ideas बनाने के लिए फटाफट this is fine. So we have let's say 4 in this now. So what I was thinking was कि इसको मैं ऐसे करके I again make this sort of layout. This I make fill and then give spacing between. अब क्या कर सकता हूँ? What I can do is now I can go to notification or badge like that stuff. ठीक है? And I think select a radio में कहीं मुझे badge मिल जाएगा and I'll just use that badge to show कि हाँ यार इसमें 5 tweets हैं इसके अंदर या 6 tweets हैं for schedule में आज के लिए right so that way it can also be minimized तो मेरा वो time भी जो मुझे पूरा screen बढ़ रहा है ना वो नहीं हर बार I don't want every line to be open just waste my time right so ये जो tabs है ना ऐसे जो खुले हुए हैं right I just need yeah perfect ये है ना ये है perfect ये white में यहाँ होंगे ना I'll pick them up yep baby go boys yeah I think we'll just pick this whole thing right now go to Castfully yo we here yeah and this will center and this will get deleted and this will become 5 now 0 5 I'll do just plus I this idea looked nice when I was making it. Abhi, I'm not sure it's not looking that cool visually. So I gotta think क्या कर सकते हैं इसके अंदर. But a problem we can figure out. No worries there. I think the colors, if I make it more prominent, this tab should make sense. Yeah, more visuals. And then obviously this is minimized, right? So if I'm doing this, then these won't be there. So today 8 में ये और divider भी चाहिए होगा हमें yes divider की layer कहाँ है भाई command C command V and yeah tada कितनी spacing इनके बीच में 32 की जगह इसको कम करके मैं 16 कर देता हूँ बहुत ज़्यादा spacing लग रही थी मुझे यार yeah makes sense yeah today 5 and then this can be tomorrow 9th में and अगर मैं इसको edit मार दूँ obviously edit बनाया मैंने अभी तो move it to side just keep it backup and yeah this can be good way of showing command D perfect again we'll need a divider below this also oh इसका अंदर divider नहीं है इसीलिए yeah so generally ये hidden रहेगा and okay so I think I did that by mistake I need this need to go here paste this and then just make it like this and auto yeah perfect now center line also ready auto थी बट ये तो हाँ बोला अच्छा वो मैंने पहले लेयर बनाई थी वो फिर बनाया था वो है परफेक्टली भी सही है इसके अंदर दो ट्वीट्स हैं शेड्यूल जो हो रखी है this makes sense because that way I can see this stuff much clearly simpler I can keep scrolling it down this can just go keep going like that right so can be good I can even hide this and show it how do I want to show it in structure वो देखना पड़ेगा because अब element बन चुके हैं सारे में छोटे मोटे just gonna put them in a box and figure out how that would work and next I haven't seen how does Typefully take care of images in schedule? Do it? Does it show that you are scheduling something? If there's an image in schedule, let's check it out and we'll see figure it out. Whether this is something only my FBI folks will remember. I'm gonna remove this because yeah, I don't want you all to catch it a whiff of it. नहीं यार नहीं दिखाता है. Perfect. That means images are not shown. No worries. I think we can show some preview, but we again pin होगा तो we'll see कैसे करना है. But yeah, this folks, this is I mean एक घंटा I think सबसे live है. We're working from 10:10. Uh, Akash, can you hear, bro? Atharva, you can hear me? Atharva KP, just drop a comment if you can hear me because I see my microphone working. So you should be able to hear me now. But yeah, we've been live for I think 45-50 minutes and एक घंटा सा और एक घंटे में हमने like we made at least the whole uh, main things of this swipe. Now थोड़ा cleaning बचा हुआ थोड़ा edge cases बचे हुए हैं. But this is good start. Now I can just use it this and work. यार अथर्वा kit I don't remember actually. मैंने इसको इस सिमेट्री के प्रोजेक्ट में किट यूज की थी I bought it from UI8 if I'm not yeah I think UI8 I bought it then I forgot the name of it and I changed this into my whole projects और उसके बाद फिर मैं किट ही भूल गया तो now I just call it symmetry kit जो कि है नहीं like I made a whole product of it but I think a premium pixel yeah premium pixels is the kit by Orman Clark I think this I bought I don't remember where I bought this but yeah Orman Clark का है project पूरा so that's where I got the kit from. But yeah, this is it, bro. Fram, this is it. Yeah, we woke, we wake, we woke up, we make some UI, and yeah, we have a minimal good product which I just send my developers. I'll clean this up thoda sa or maybe if you want me to tell me, I'll do it night with you all live. साथ में करते हैं. But this is fun. Wednesday morning, मेरी voice भी अब ठीक हो चुकी है. Speak up normal. ये हर्ष जीएम से लेट हो गए पूरा प्रोडक्ट बना के हम तो फ्री हो गए अब बट या सो बिफोर वी गो आई थिंक समवन ऑब्वियसली 11 बज चुका है आदमी नहाएगा धोएगा तैयार भी होगा ऑफिस में जाना होता है बट बिफोर दैट व्हाट आई विल डू इज I'll do some doom scrolling on Twitter and see what's happening what's latest बस going crazy by the way मैंने इसका वहाँ पे नहीं डाला था क्या बोलते हैं स्ट्रीम का आई हैवंट अपलोडेड ऑन ट्विटर सो वहाँ पे अपडेट नहीं बता नहीं किसी को आई जस्ट डिड इट ऑन इंस्टाग्राम लेट्स जस्ट गो सो Nana is doing some अगर यहाँ आता है पूरा बेंगलोर का Bangalore Ubers man Bangalore taxis are crazy oh nice sketches crypto future work trading works no gonna teach you trading Data unusual is doing crazy shit yeah it's unusual they do crazy shit that's why they call it unusual Vishal and team nice crazy man I gotta do that Apple waterproofing why would I use Apple का wallpaper like आगे से मैं wallpaper ही क्या बात हुई like this it makes sense यार कौन public है जो Apple का स्क्रीन को wallpaper बना रही है मैं क्यों ही बना रही है like I don't understand that like what is this concern with them कि यार ये हमें Apple का प्रोडक्ट देखना है क्या है ये बात Waymo is what you know let's check it out ooh yeah books food alignments this is the issue design oh let's Michael by the way Michael is one of those YouTubers whom you want to go and check out bros like fam if you are watching go check out his YouTube channel he creates the content which is like यार फॉर एग्जाम्पल ऐसे तुम जिम जा रहे हो, ठीक है, और तुम्हें प्रोटीन चाहिए, तुम क्या करोगे? पनीर खाओगे, सोयाबीन खाओगे, डिफरेंट डिफरेंट स्टफ यू विल ईट एंड ऑल दैट, राइट? तो ऑल प्रोटीन वहां से लोगे, राइट? बट व्हाट इफ आई टेल यू कि दिस गाय इज लाइक द प्रोटीन शेक ऑफ डिजाइन, कि एक ही ग्लास में सब मिल जा रहा है तुमको. तो व्हाट माइकल डज इज लाइक ही डज अमेजिंग कंटेंट ऑन यूट्यूब, और ठीक है, और वो मचाता है. लाइक हिज कंटेंट इज वेरी वेरी क्या बोलते हैं, different than how now people see. But wait a minute, ये क्या था? What the fuck was this? You're telling me I can add a long bio also on Twitter? Did you folks knew this? Sonu Mayur, did you knew this that you can add fuck, how's the damn, I didn't know this. Oh, damn, crazy. I didn't know that you can do this. So yeah, this is cool. Let me check if I can do it with my own profile. एड पर चलते हैं. Bio location. Create expanded bio. Ooh. Damn, I can do this. Let me just put. I have some stuff जो मैंने अभी 2 दिन पहले पोस्ट किया था. Expanded bio में तो भाई आग लगा देंगे, but I'll just use this. Yeah, I'll just use this one for extended bio. Interesting thing. Huh? ये क्या हो गया? What the hell? Why I did not copy the whole text altogether? अच्छा, ओके, स्ट्रक्चरिंग बिगाड़ दिया उसने. ओके, ये जो हंस रही है. You can even tag people and all that. Nice. This is useful for me. I can do a lot of this thing with expanded bio and save it and see how does it look on my profile. Can I add images in this? Can I add images? No, I can insert link. This is like a markdown version, so you can't do much, but you can do subheading, heading, or like a write a whole simple extended bio of everything you do. And oh, nice. Okay, it's doable. Doable. देखेंगे थोड़ा फिगर आउट करेंगे. विल यूज इट मोर, व्यू मोर पे जाके. ओह नाइस, दिस क्रेजी. आई डिडंट नो दिस दे हैड दिस. Amazing. Yeah, by the way, I did a video yesterday about purple. Go check it out. Would appreciate that. uh, Drop your comments, drop your thought, drop your feedback. Would love that. But yeah, I think this is it. Time for the chef to go back to making what's say cleaning the dishes and all that shit. वो भी करनी है वे आके, ठीक है. So yeah, thank you folks for coming Wednesday morning पे सुबह सुबह तुम लोग को पका रहा था मैं. Get it? शेफ पका रहा था. फनी तो मैं बता रहा हूँ. मैं अगर डिजाइन काम नहीं किया ना, बिकम स्टैंड अप कॉमेडियन. खुद की जोक पे हंस लिया करूँगा. But thank you folks for being here. This is great walking with you all. What is it called? Walking in public? Walking on stream? पता नहीं. But fun था जो भी था. Thank you for joining and I'll see you. Bye folks. Bye. जाओ. अच्छा मैं एंड करूँ.